Good afternoon. It is frustrating New Mexicans and district attorneys. A constitutional amendment that was supposed to keep our streets safer, but it's not working how it was supposed to. Today, prosecutors from all over the state came together with a plan to fix it. News 13's Madeline Schmidt is live with the story. Madeline?
Yeah, well, Kim, DAs say voters were duped when they passed this constitutional amendment. From Alamogordo to Farmington, 8 of New Mexico's 13 elected district attorneys gathered in Bernalillo County today.
What we have seen for just the month of September in the city of Hobbs is that 40 different individuals were arrested 2 or more times for different offenses.
Expressing their frustrations with Constitutional Rule 5-409 regarding pretrial detention of violent offenders. Last year, voters passed a constitutional amendment to keep them locked up until trial. And back in July, in an attempt to guide judges on how to implement it, the Supreme Court enacted Rule 5-409. But the DAs say that rule has been letting dangerous people out of jail. It's too broad.
We have this new rule that has been implemented statewide, and if you go to any of the 13 different judicial districts, there's 13 different systems that are being done in the courtroom. Some of us are having 15-minute hearings. I had a detention hearing that took 4.5 hours last week.
Which is why 2 weeks ago, Justice Charles Daniels sent a letter to all DAs asking for, quote, constructive feedback for a concrete solution. Today, the DAs presented their suggestions, like for judges to consider all factors in a case.
Consider the nature and the circumstances of the offense. Was it violent? Was a gun used? Does he have a history of violence? Does he have prior felony convictions? Those sorts of things.
Along with streamlining the process and holding preliminary and pretrial detention hearings at the same time.
Uniformity should be something that the justice system strives for.
It's pretty rare that you're able to see folks from places that are so different, from Taos all the way down to Hobbs, come together and support these kinds of rules, but it's that important to the state, and it's something that we're all behind.
Now, we reached out to the Supreme Court in response to the suggestions from the DA's office, the DAs. Now, a court spokesman would only say that the suggestions will be given appropriate consideration by the justices. There is no timeline on when the justices could make a decision on those suggestions. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Madeline. Now, we did reach out to the ACLU and 2 associations for New Mexico lawyers for their thoughts on the proposed changes. We have those responses online at krqe.com.